Hey everybody, look what I have. Soursop. This is an amazing fruit. Super high potassium, super high vitamin C, and a good fiber content. I just picked it off the tree. I'm in Hawaii and I'm just picking everything I can. So I'm trying to eat off Mother Earth, trying to eat off the land. So let's cut it open. Oh, I'm so excited. So it's a little soft to the touch. So when it's a little soft to the touch, it's ripe and it's ready to cut open. So let's see how we do. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's already juicy. It's juicy, juice is coming out. Oh. Oh my God. Look at this tropical beauty. So the taste is something like between an apple and strawberry. It's like a combo. And you can see it has black seeds in it as well, so you don't eat the seeds. Oh my gosh. Look at this. I'm gonna give it a try. Soursop. Oh my God. It tastes really a lot like strawberry. It tastes very strawberry, but the consistency is a little apple-like. Oh my God, you guys, this is crazy. This is an amazing fruit. I know you can also buy it frozen. So I'm gonna give you some recipes for soursop. You're gonna love it. Oh my gosh, it's like, I'm so happy.